Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the place you're watching me from. And today's video is a super special video. It's early morning over here actually, and the weather today is kinda different. It's so gloomy. Yes, so guys, I was my camera went off literally. I was to take my sister to school, and yeah, of course we are back. And ensure subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And I really appreciate your love and support. On today's video is another special video, guys. We are literally over here at this amazing apartment of ours over here. We are renting it, not ours. We are literally renting it out. So yeah, this is early morning. It's a chilly morning, and of course we wanna do a deep cleaning of our beautiful one-bedroom house actually here in Kenya, Africa. And I want to literally share with you how we are cleaning and how we are vacuuming it. Just a little preparation for baby coming, you know. So ensure you subscribe. I know everyone here is really happy for the upcoming of our beautiful soul. You can say it, you can call it a bunch of joy. So yeah, sure, subscribe. And remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and of course we will be showing you what's happening inside here in our house, in our one-bedroom house, and we'll be sharing with you. So I'm literally having one of the best home cleaners, so we'll literally try and see what's happening. So I can power off the fan, right? Huh? It will be hot. Okay, okay. So today we have this vacuum cleaning, and you see some. We've been seeing some marks on the chairs and everything. So today we wanna be doing some just thorough cleaning of our beautiful one-bedroom house over here in Bamburi, Kenya. As I told you, I started my video from this side, but it really killed me. Reason being, the weather was not okay by that time, and of course we are behind us when we're doing this at the end. So let's try to clean and do what's necessary over here. So they are really trying to remove everything that is in. Hey, you can also introduce yourselves, maybe, right? You can start from they say ladies first, but okay, if it's ladies first, then ladies first, yeah.
Okay. Hello guys, how are you? Constance, the owner of DWB Cleaners here in Mombasa.
Okay.
So if you need your sofa sets clean, your carpets clean, you can always call us. I can give them my number.
Yeah, you can give them your number. Start with +254.
Okay, +254
Yes.
07 57
Yes.
53 37 00.
Okay, repeat again, because there are those who are really like they want to write slowly.
Okay, 254 757 53 3700.
Oh, okay.
Call us for any type of cleaning work you need done at your house.
Vacuuming, everything. Is it general, like we can call general cleaning, or you only deal with carpets and chairs?
General cleaning, even pest and control.
Oh,
You do deep cleaning as well?
Yes.
deep cleaning. So today, guys, let's just try to say it's deep cleaning of our house over here. Yeah, partial deep cleaning over here. And also, all right, Constance.
Yes.
That name is the second time I'm hearing it. The last time I heard that name was in Namibia. Botswana. Constance.
Hello guys, I'm
Yes.
Ibrahim Ben.
Yes, Brown Ben.
Ibrahim Ben.
Okay.
Yeah.
Brown Ben.
Ibrahim Ben.
Oh, Ibrahim Ben. Okay, Ibrahim Ben.
Uh,
How can you tell people about your work over here?
my work, I'm glad because this girl though.
Yeah, Constance. Yeah, okay. So Constance is your teacher. Constance, can I tag along with you so that also you can teach me
Yeah.
slowly by slowly?
We are creating a team. If you want to build a good organization,
Yes.
the first thing you have to have a team.
Guys, we can partner. Look like a good business partner. We can partner, and we see how everything will be. So if you'll be needing any deep cleaning in your house, washing of your house, doing anything in your house, you can actually reach out to this number that she has already given you. And of course, when you call her, tell her give me discount, because I watched this through Claude Joseph, and everything will be real much okay. So let's try and see what will be happening. So this is before, and I will show you after. So for now, we are trying to remove everything that is over here, and then later on we wanna see what's happening. All right? Okay. What? Kuvuta kuvuta. Okay. So we are trying to remove the dust. So it's pulling everything. So it's literally sucking the dust, everything. From here, then we wanna see how everything is. Eh? Eh. Okay guys, you know the problem is today I don't have any good mood because my wife really pranked me today, and it was so crazy. So my wife pranked me today, and it was so crazy that let me go in because you know, today guys, my wife pranked me very badly, and I felt so bad. I haven't had no mood, man. I just ran from school where I took my sister to come back and found that she's pranking me. I even felt like punching her one punch, like but I felt like it's okay. One day also her day is coming, so her day is numbered.
You wait, you know, I'll surprise one of you.
You surprise me what? You surprise me what?
I'll surprise you with a prank one of these days.
Which prank, and already you have killed me.
Guys, like, I don't know if it worked out well. I tried to prank him. I was sleeping in the morning and he left to take Phil to school. So I was like, okay, this guy, let me do something. An idea just came. I was like, why do I see a lot of couples doing pranks? And I think we can lock the door because the noise. Close so that it cancels the noise for you. Yeah. So I was like, let me try this. So I didn't have enough gadgets because you know our GoPro is something that can be seen. My phone, and we only have one GoPro because the other one is not working currently. His GoPro got spoiled, so he uses mine. So I was trying to set it up. So using my phone was very difficult because my phone is big and it can easily be seen. So I tried to use my sister. My sister was like, let's try and use his GoPro, the one mine now, we just insert my memory card and then we see if it will work. But then now we put it there and forgot to turn off. We don't know how to turn it off.
But honestly, I never saw the GoPro. But the moment I started seeing your cheeks are laughing, I was like, okay, so these people are pranking me.
You know now.
That's why even I said, make sure this is not a prank.
Because yeah, he said this is not a prank. I was like, when he said that, I was like, that's it. Because me, I wanted to call. We tried to call him on the phone so that he can come back. But I was afraid if we call him on the phone and he's riding a motorcycle, he's a crazy man. He'll start rushing and then maybe he can even possibly get an accident. So I was like, no, let's try. Just tell him calmly. My sister's so overly dramatic. So she tried to call him. His phone was not going through. All the three numbers were not going through. So we let it be. So what we decided to do is lock the door so that it doesn't catch us unaware, you know. So we tried to lock the door, and when we tried to open the door, when she had you coming, she
also the door decided
not to open. She was like, oh, the door's not open.
But anyway, today is cleaning day.
Yeah.
Deep cleaning for our baby. And actually, you got me crazy.
But I feel like it didn't work out the way.
No.
Let me give you a mango.
A mango?
Yeah, I feel like it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. I wish I can get more gadgets in the future, so that you can, like small cameras, so that you can use them. Because most of my content will be indoors.
But you got me right. Where?
But I know until the time he got here, he was scared.
Guys,
from the
you know they
window.
poured water down here.
I poured water that I mixed with the milk.
And what really made me feel that it's like a prank, the water wasn't cold, or wasn't warm, and the other thing
But
is
no,
it wasn't
taken
slippery.
time.
It wasn't slippery, so I was like,
It's not slippery. The water, I don't think it's slippery. So and then it started smelling. He was almost
Yeah, smelling. I was almost doing this. How is it?
You're crazy.
Yeah, so that I can confirm. But
So I did a prank. My first prank, guys, go great.
But my heart was like, hey,
Your heart was beating.
like West African tom drums.
My sister, the one who can do this. Me, I started laughing as early as because I know his reaction. I know how his stomach was run. Let me add you.
No, it's okay.
I know how his stomach was. Me personally, just the prank alone, I started having like started running stomach.
On your own?
On my own, because I'm afraid.
You're pranking when you're having a running stomach.
Yeah, because like I was afraid for you, because now.
You know how rough I am?
Yeah,
when it comes to such kinds of
I was like so scared for you. So I was like, I went to the toilet and sat there. Sister was like, can you come out? He's almost coming. and I was like, okay, then it wasn't. I could not even diarrhea or anything. But the stomach was like in shambles, you know, because I'm afraid.
Okay, guys, this lady. For that, let me actually do the deep cleaning, because a baby can come out any time the way she wants. So let's do what we call like deep cleaning and preparation for our baby, and we see how everything is. Actually, for now we are like let me say 60% or 50% prepared. Let's say 60% prepared.
I feel like it's over 70.
Over 70%.
So the only things that are remaining, what have we doing? What don't we have?
Maybe okay. The rest should come out when the baby is what we call like when the baby is out, because some necessary basic things like clothes, like rompers, like this thing that the baby put here, pacifiers, like little pamperses for the start.
You haven't bought pampers yet. There's only one.
Yeah, this one.
But then now I think
for a start, and
for a start, that's for emergency.
Yeah, emergency, something like that. So, but in terms of clothes, we are actually like 100%, or let's say 98%.
The only thing that's challenging me in terms of clothes is the receiving. Like, which clothes are the baby going to wear from? When now the baby is being received. That's what I was like. What is the baby going to wear? So we have clothes, but I can't decide on which one. The
cotton one?
Set.
Cotton and linen?
Cotton.
But we will go with the doctor will decide.
We can't go with all the clothes. No,
we will go with the clothes. Huh?
So the doctor says you give me what the baby is going to wear.
I'll select.
You will select.
We do a special video for that, packing our bag for
hospital bag.
Yeah, so watch that video until to the end, and let us do some clean.
Have you ever been pranked before?
Once by my siblings.
On a video?
Not on a video. Yeah, I've never been pranked on a video. It's you who pranked me on a video for the first time. And I was like, I can punch you. But it's okay, guys. Alright, thank you. And let me just show our people how we are cleaning our one bedroom house. Right? Okay, bye. So this is what you see around. And now the difference between this is before and this one. This one is sucking water, right? And actually it looks clean and nice and very fantastic. Kidogo narudi. Yeah, so guys, wanna go pick my sister from school. So still they are doing some cleaning, and wanna just leave a little bit. I wanna go pick my sister from school, or from where she is. She told me I'll go pick her today. So yeah, we wanna be heading there right now, and also we'll be able to see where she's actually learning computer. So some little packages for her upgrade a little bit, instead of her sitting idle over here. You know, some days people might be like, oh, she was with you at home, so you left her that way. No, with me, I want her to have her basic education right now, and then she wanna have also her tertiary education. Then now from there she wanna be on her own. You know, educating a girl is like educating a whole woman. So let's head there. Okay, check how everything is. Our baby machine is here. Oh, nice. Okay. Let it hydrate. It keeps the engine up. I love how this engine is, man. You know, it really ran 1,000 kilometers to this area within 16 hours. So let's head and see. Hey guys, the girl from school, eh? You're from school. Hey, you look so nice.
Thank you.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Yeah, guys, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever place are coming from. Receive my greetings. Yeah, we thank the Almighty God for this day that He has granted unto us. Because of His mercy and graces, we are here, guys. As you can see, today I woke up early in the morning. I came to school. He's the one who brought me to school. The class is from 8:30 to 10:30.
Okay.
Yeah, so the class has already ended. And do you know what, guys?
I don't know. Tell
He
us.
has really packed me here. I've waited for him.
I was doing some cleaning in the house, so
okay.
I'm sorry. But next time you'll be on having transport so that you can do these things on your own. Don't depend on me anytime that I'll be coming for you. So guys, let's head back.
I will be riding.
This can kill you. You think this is a small machine? Alright, let's get back.
It's a big machine. If it can travel from all the way from Sirari up to Mombasa.
Hey.
It's a big machine.
Alright, how was classes today?
Yeah, classes were fine.
Okay.
Good.
You coping up with the situation?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Alright guys, let's head back a sec. Okay. So we are back home right now, and the school girl, she's doing, I think they are still doing what we call like cleaning upstairs. So yeah, let me just check. Hopefully that now they are almost done. Surprise Nino. I know you are tired and hungry. Yeah. They are still doing deep cleaning. Yeah. They will be having a lot of dust, so the chairs have been dusted and done. And literally, that's how you see. You're dancing TikTok. She's dancing TikTok. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, the work well done by Constance. Yeah. Okay, so this is how you see. The other time we were having some marks, and but for now it looks so nice and great all the way. And this other end also, they have been cleaning. What do uchafu ulikuwa ndani?
Hapa.
Oh. Yes, you can just check. It was dirty as me.
Imagine it. Inaini rinse too.
Rinse 2.
Ile kwanza situlemwaga.
Rinse 1 ilikuwaje sasa? Guys, this is the second rinse, as you see. There it is, but where? I think it's the nini. When we open the windows, vumbi ya kutoka Bamburi cement huko. Goes very near here, guys. Yeah, just let me show you Bamburi cement. Actually, it's just over here. You see their towels are there. That you see over there is Bamburi cement. So when we tend to open these windows this way, the air that comes over here, it comes with dust from Bamburi cement over there. It's actually an industry that or a factory that manufacture what we call like cement that we use for construction over here. That's why this place is called Bamburi. Reason being because of that Bamburi cement. Even now they are just doing it. It's a 24 hours. You know. So anyway, Mr. ulisema jina? Ibra. Oh, Ibra. Mo Ibra. Ama Ibrahimovic. Zote. Okay. Ibrahim Ben. Yeah, Ibrahim Ben, guys, they are doing a really good job. So now we want to do the dusting of the carpet. The chairs are very nice, so we'll be waiting for the kid to come anytime. But also, if you have work or if you're watching this video and you're in Bamburi or in Mombasa area and you want your house to be deep cleaned, the way you see they are cleaning here, you can actually give them a call, because on the start of this video you see their number down below the comment section. Also at the description point you'll be able to check on it. So let's connect it again. We see now. Okay, that's the company. They have Bramptons. Okay,
I want to remove
the dust from the carpet.
Yeah.
Okay, we are still doing a great job. Where? Yes. Yeah.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
But we are struggling. Your viewers.
Yeah, sure. So we are definitely done with this end, and as you see down here also, there's no any dust on the carpet. You can even sleep this way. You feel so nice and safe. So like now let's go to the bed and we show you how it will be done. You see?
I think he will come like a week before we.
Yeah.
wanna use the socket all the way from here? Tutumie tu direct kutoka huko. Okay. Hicho kita bust sai.
Hata nilikuwa nikusuggestie hivyo. Tuoshe siku moja tu uamue. Yoshe kabisa.
So guys, let me just open this so that we can get mwangaza kidogo.
Hebu angalia mali. Ataka hizo vitu ziko na maji.
Oh, I was just trying to tell you not to sit here. Kuna maji. Yeah, so okay. So now to do one thing, guys. To the vumbi. Then we see how it will be on the other end. Kana clean kidogo. Yoshua. Now that's why you see the bed, guys. It's definitely under cleaning. So all the way to the other side, and this other end, very, very, very clean. Wow. So it was only dust. Ah, guys, look. Hey, it was a lot of vumbi. Tena vumbi ya bamburi cement.
Oh, iko hapa hivi karibu.
Bamburi cement ndo ile pale. That tower you see there.
Oh, by the way.
Yeah, that's bamburi cement.
Naona vumbi mob basi inaingia na huko.
Yeah, so the moment you leave your windows open, the vumbi comes. Yeah. Washing. So we will definitely do what we call like wash it, and then we see how. Kitambaa? No, siwaze, just normal, yeah. So we'll wait and check how everything is. So for now, look at my sister, she's sleeping down here. Hey, Natopare, what is it? Nothing.
I'm just resting.
Resting? For now the carpet is clean. No.
There's no dust.
No dust.
Yeah.
The other time you are feeling like if you sleep down here you feel like there's
you're
dust.
beaching.
But for now
the carpet is clean.
okay. As we'll be cleaning at least like this, it's now ready to sit. So you can sit and you feel at least very, very, very clean on this other hand. At least now you can sit and feel as if you are home, far away from home. The other time you are a lot of dust, I can say so. But for now, okay, yeah. So it will be just a little time for me just to put on everything. So we'll just go and pick them, and then we come, we do everything once they are ready, clean, so we can really check. Yo. Okay, guys, today we were cleaning over here, and we were using this vacuum cleaner over here with Constance
From DWD Cleaners, Mombasa.
DWD Cleaners.
Yes.
Oh, nice and great. It has really done a good work, and also guys, you can check them out on their handles like TikTok,
Yes,
Instagram.
TikTok, Instagram.
So tell them you are
Facebook.
TikTok.
Everywhere is DWD Cleaners, Mombasa.
DWD Cleaners in Mombasa.
Yes.
So they can really do a very good job. Like me here, and I feel fresh air in this other end. So thank you so much.
Thank you also.
And you have really done a very great work, and welcome again and again.
Asante.
Alright guys, thank you. So this is how everything you see around, guys, and yeah, so we'll be now arranging our house in the other end. Alright, so we bought this one is what we call like baby shelf, chest of drawer for baby. Don't keep your stuffs in here, I'll beat you soon. You're keeping your stuffs in here. No, don't just put it. This is for the
I
babies.
need it from people.
So we have some baby clothes, and also on this other end we also have some kind of clothes. This is said made with love. So this one upper here, is it cotton or what?
Those are newborn.
Oh, this one are newborn clothes.
Immediately she's born.
Immediately when she's born, when she drops to the new world,
Those are the clothes she will
these are the clothes she'll be putting on.
So yeah.
And then over here we have mixed clothes of all colors, made with love.
Those are onesies.
Onesies.
Yeah.
What does it mean, onesies?
You can show them what it looks like.
I don't want to disturb this one because it's for baby. My hands are dirty. And then at least they see them. Also here we have these ones. Oh, this looks nice and pretty over here. And also down here is this here for empty, and we have pampers. One.
We only have one.
Oh yeah, also one have.
So
Some days will buy big and match. And down here empty.
have like
Oh, down here we have
blankets,
blankets, towels,
bed sheets,
bed sheets, or baby shower, baby shows,
baby shawls,
baby
shower.
baby shows.
Yeah.
Baby shows are called baby showers. Why? So, and also over here we have this bed for the baby. I don't want anybody to come and put her stuffs here. And the moment should be asleep over here. So this one can be changed from this side to this side. So here we put here. Hey, so here you do this. You turn it as she's asleep. Hey. So when the baby she's asleep, and this one is the bag that you can put on what we call like pampers and others house when you are heading maybe in town, or you want to go for a meeting or for clinic. You put your stuffs here for the baby and then you go. But this one, now when the baby will be asleep there, you put her here, and then you open this. Let me show you something like this when she's asleep, and then you turn it on like this. So it's turning to, come on man, what's happening? Yeah. Yeah, so we have this one that is supposed to be in here. It's supposed to be in here like this.
No.
Hey, this one is to measure.
No. That's to measure. It comes. You put on top across.
How?
Raise it
Up here.
I can let it evolve. Yeah, so that when
This way.
yes, when you want to change her, change her clothing and all that, so that she can get to bed, that's what we use. And you also can be able to measure her weight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where? That's so nice. Alright guys, nice. So whatever we are doing here, it should be something. We'll be changing this because they brought everything out. Now we have to just arrange the house, the whole house, and then we check how everything is. It has been dusted, sucked all the dust, and then things will be much okay. So let's wait and see, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. Yeah, big man slaying. This is for laundry, actually, and this was gifted by one of
Our friends.
our friends, and she was like, this, I don't want you to just, when the baby maybe go somewhere and their clothes are dirty, don't want to throw them in the basin anyhow. We just have to have a laundry bucket So no, around the basket. So she brought us this. So thank you so much, friend.
Yeah.
And of course,
And there are clothes in there that you're
There are
supposed to
clothes,
be
yeah.
washing. I told you you haven't washed
this will
them.
be. I'll wash them soon. Don't worry. Mosquito. I'll kill you. There's some clothes.
There are clothes in here that we got gifts from UK.
From UK. Wow. Yeah.
So we haven't washed them.
But I'll wash
So I
them.
think you should wash them and arrange them.
Yeah. Very very. Thank you so much for those who always come to hand by hand. Say, hey, let me support you little by little. So this one, I want. Hey, it's so heavy, guys.
It's heavy.
And also we received some rompers. And this one I'm going to do it.
Rompers, not
These are
rompers.
baby.
Men are funny at rompers.
These ones are
Teethers.
teethers.
The baby, when
So
you know when the baby,
sometimes
when
the baby sometimes can bite you.
when the teeth wants to grow.
Oh, so
So she normally see even when she's breastfeeding, she bites you.
Okay.
So she can be biting these things instead of
Oh.
biting you.
Okay, so when she's
Like
almost like playing this.
3 months, 4 months, her teeth want to come out because her first tooth normally comes out at around 6 months.
Oh, okay.
So that time she's practicing on biting.
On biting, yeah.
So-
Anything comes from the mouth,
She wants to bite. So I think that
These are the best. And
so
then,
you sterilize them.
Yeah.
Make sure they're always clean.
and also receipts from UK
UK.
and Canada. So thank you so much.
Mhm.
And also we had some. We received some of the stuffs here. Also, these ones are for cleaning the baby.
Personal hygiene.
Personal hygiene. That's why you see they are sterilized. You can be sterilizing them, something like this. You can be sterilized.
And
Then you do what you call like
if
cleaning.
actually you want to shave or cut
Yeah.
something.
This one is for
Nail
nail
cutter.
cutters. Also,
Yeah,
this one is
hairbrush.
for hairbrush for the baby. This means that now my baby will not shave. So also have this,
Comb.
and also we have this for temperature, measuring baby's temperature.
Yeah.
This way in here. So measuring baby's temperature, like for example, it's working. You see like that, it's really working. So if you want to check on the normal temperature is always 37.
36, 37.
36 or 7, but if it goes up or it goes low, you can just check using this. You can put either in the mouth or at the armpit for the baby.
Yeah.
So, and also we have this one. These ones are I don't know even how to use this.
You scoop medicine.
Oh, sorry. Oh, let me power it off. Wait,
So this one is if you want to give her any liquid.
any liquid.
You want to measure, or even if it's medicine,
Yes,
so you can use that.
you can.
Because
Siphon.
normally the spoons it pours out and all
Oh,
that.
yeah, so you can siphon. Hey, this is so thoughtful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, subscriber. You can use this and then you
No,
inside.
this one I bought myself.
Oh, this one. Oh, sorry.
The subscriber bought the pink one.
Oh wow, thank
Yeah.
you so much. And also
This one is what I don't know. I've forgotten what the use is, but I think
maybe
it's
to
for
suck the nose.
oh, nostrils.
You can put it the moment maybe the baby is maybe
What's
feeling.
the hole up there? It's
It's so
tiny.
small.
I think I've forgotten the use of that.
But we will check. We will Google.
And then we have files.
We have files for the baby. Hey, come now, baby. Come out. Come out now, baby. So over here we also have something like this. Something like this.
So the holder.
The soother holders, and we have them here.
These
Some
are
of,
these are the pacifiers now.
Pacifiers.
For I think the small baby.
Yeah, we have different types of pacifiers. We also
These ones are
have
for
this.
big baby. These are for a small baby.
Hey, I can't wait. I can't wait to be sharing. Yeah, so
You sharing with
with the baby.
No, you
I'll
can't.
also be putting a pacifier and
All of you walk.
Hey, we walk together. Yeah? You with the baby.
You're useless.
And also we just have some baby wipes. And also, let me show them here. We also have the earbuds for the baby. We also have a small pod. Is it pod or what? Nourishment. It's like oil. So on this other end also we have jelly.
That's jelly. That's
Hand sanitizers. Before you carry my baby, you have to sanitize your hands. That's one. That's rule number one. Rule number one. Before you carry my baby, sanitize, so that you can carry the baby. Yeah, you know might not know where people sometimes come from. So
yeah.
I have to sanitize your hands.
You wash your hands.
That's the rule that I've created on my own. Before you know that those who come, they want to kiss the baby. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Sanitize, 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 like da. I'll be working with this everywhere. 70% alcohol kills 99.9990 viruses. So, sanitize. Can I sanitize you before you carry me? Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Hey, like that. Sanitize, sanitize. Hey, how does it? You sanitize well until inside here. Here again. Yeah, very well, very well. Then you carry baby. Then you carry baby. Also over here we have surgical spirit in case of anything. We can use it. We have the wipes, baby wipes. These ones are definitely scentless. They are scentless. They don't have any scent, so we can be wiping baby. You know, sometimes she might be sweating. And also on this side we have a soap. This is the special soap and very expensive for the babies. It smells so nice and great. So we close this, and yeah. So what we have remained with, it's a bath station and the stroller, in which the stroller maybe and pampasses, more pampasses, in which the stroller we might go for it very soon, hopefully. And on this other end we have this one. I was told this one gave people hectic. They almost connected this for a whole day.
Yeah, my sister and
Feli, yeah,
they really struggled to connect it. They were really
my sister and my sister-in-law, they were struggling to connect this this bed. So definitely this bed, it will be somewhere here. We will take this off. It will be somewhere here, and with you will be sleeping going that way. Me, I'll be sleeping with the baby here. And when the baby, you sleep on the other end. Now you know when you have brought her in the world, you stop you be no you stop being important. You are supposed now to be on the other end. So me now it's me with the baby, checking the baby slowly like, hi Toto, good morning. Who? You. Me and you. Hey, today. Should I record who snows?
You need to leave the phone recording.
Really?
Yeah.
Today guys, I'm going live. I want to show you live. Not today, but after this video I might go live and we see who is snoring. Can I show them where is your pillow? She always hides her pillow inside here.
Why? I don't hide my pillow.
Because she snores until the saliva comes out.
Saying that, that's
until the saliva goes out this way.
No. That's not true.
Who have big lips? Let me see.
Because my lips are swollen because
if you have big lips, that definitely shows that you snore. Let me see. Sure.
No, guys.
Because you see, they vibrate.
Please get out of here, man.
Anyway, just kidding. Anyway, just kidding, guys. So,
but then what happens is I lose breath most of the times. When I sleep, I feel like I'm choking.
Oh, I've remembered, guys. You see, her own saliva chokes her. Reason being, she's snoring. You know when you're, you know when you are snoring like. So if you have a lot of saliva, it can choke you.
It's not saliva, guys.
So sometimes the saliva chokes her own.
Saliva.
Dance on your own music.
Even if I eat food, my food starts coming out.
Hey.
Yeah, and it chokes me.
Maybe the food you eat doesn't go well hand in hand with the baby, so the baby say no, me I don't want to eat
maybe
this.
But then it comes out and it chokes me. I feel
you have to select food.
I have to wake up like grasping for air.
It
suffocates me.
I should be watching what you eat, in which if you want meat or eggs, I say no eggs today, vegetable. And
I think it's because I never used to eat a lot, so this last month
she has been eating, guys. Let me tell you.
So now, like, I think the body is rejecting.
Yes, you see some vessels here. You see, every time I want brown ugali, so it's that me mingling until now the veins have popped out as if I'm a gymnastic. Because of her, every time brown ugali, fish, beef, eggs. I don't know what. You wait until you see fire is coming. But anyway, guys, we are cleaning, and yeah, that's how everything is around. And let us know in the comment section. Are we ready for this? With me, I think we are ready.
I think we are ready.
We are ready. So for this one, oh, I never showed you this, guys. We have also baby wardrobe. So here she has some bunny, and some few clothes to put on, like dresses, because it's hot here.
Have you shown them her shoes? Her shoes are
And the problem is, we have bought all this for ladies, and we could have bought for unisex, and then we found that
that baby will wear those clothes like that. Have you shown them the shoes?
the baby comes out there as a boy, a very handsome boy.
Babe, have you shown them the shoes?
Where are the shoes? In here?
Yeah, they're just there now.
Oh man. Why this one finish me? This one finishes me. Where?
These are cute.
Where? Next baby. Okay. We also have another one here, and this one also will be helping her to crawl. This wardrobe. So we have some cute.
And there's also another one over here.
Where? So we have only 3 pairs.
She has 3 pairs already. We have 1 pair of shoes, so this is 3.
Also we have another one here. Wow. Yeah, cute. So this one is empty because it needs a lot of pampasses and a lot of stuffs. Also in here, I showed you that already. So all right, let us close. So we also
we have like essentials, things that she will be needing, like
this. Okay,
yeah.
this.
So there we put like beeps and her nini and what to the bathing.
You know me, I'm learning actually. I don't know what bibs are. Me, I know.
The ones we put here when food does not go on her.
Me, I know only napkins. Napkins, and that napkin is not the one that you buy. If you used to have an old towel or an old bed sheet, it's now no longer yours. It's going to be cut into small pieces, like 10 pieces or 20 pieces, and then the baby will be napped. Thank God now we are in digital way. I remember when my small siblings were using, even me I passed that. Now you put a baby a place like this, her legs up. I know how to tie it.
So that will be your work now.
Definitely. I'll just try to do that once. Don't tell me that the baby bra. I'll try that once. With the local, with these ones.
You tied?
Yeah, I tied it very well, and then we see.
No.
So yeah, that's how everything is, guys. So
what do you think? Are we set? Are we ready?
Yeah, we are ready. Also, this one, it comes with its own mosquito net. So yeah.
It also has a mattress.
And also, it's portable. It's portable.
When you go to the village. And
very mobile. When we go to the village, we just dismantle, we put it in the bag, and then we go with it. The only thing that we not carry is this one. So we will definitely, when we be in the village, we will definitely do what we call like maybe have another one in the village, or we can just use our own wardrobe to keep that.
Yes, we have 2. We have the one that has bed sheets.
Oh yeah.
We can change that for
the baby.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we find a place to put the sheets and the duvets.
And the duvets, yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching the video, guys. So the only thing is we are just trying to clean and dust the house, and let us know in the comment section what do you think about this. And this one amazes me. Let's have a very nice music. Hey, Wanyasai. So this one will definitely make the baby sleep even before even the mom comes, even before she feels hungry. If you just turn it on, she starts singing.
I think what we need also, we need some teddy bears.
Some teddy bears. Yeah.
In that bed.
Yeah. Sometimes she'll be
yeah.
Slowly by slowly as time goes by, and then we see how everything is around. Alright? So still we are over here now dusting and doing everything around. Let me see what my sister, she's preparing over here for us. Hey Sasa, how are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing?
I wanna prepare githeri for lunch.
So these ones for lunch. So these ones you should be tying them from behind. Jesus Christ. So we wanna cook githeri. So guys, this is githeri. It's a mixture of beans and maize, or corn and maize, corn and beans. Oh my god, corn and beans. We always buy them in plenty because they really help us during lunchtime. Instead of us eating ugari or rice, we just cook githeri during the lunch hours. Which is roasting it over there. And this is our githeri. The fridge is full of githeri and beef over here, and definitely that's how we survive over here in this other end. Also we have what we call like this is brown ugali and white ugali. White ugali goes faster than brown ugali because brown ugali is always for minhag. You always want to have brown ugali. So let's finish, then we'll be showing you how food is, and also as we arrange this house over here in our 1-bedroom house. So yeah, definitely for now it looks shaggy, and some days also we want to put here a TV stand, a small one that will really help, because for now it's very void, and that's how everything will be for now. Let's wait the chairs to dry, and also I'll take you on the rooftop so that we are going to check on our covers, the seat covers that have been washed. Hey guys, so this is the githeri that I was telling you. Definitely this is the githeri. So she has fried it, so we always buy it when it's cooked but not fried. So when it's cooked, just cooked, boiled, we mean boiling, in which it can boil for at least like 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours boiling. So it's being sold like one cup goes to $50, 50 shillings. So 2 cups goes for 100 Kenya shillings. So we buy like for $6 or $7, and we store them. So no need of going out maybe during the day to go and buy food, but just to take it from the fridge and then we roast. So this is how you see it. Like this one is roasted. Yeah. So oh, God bless us with the food. I want to take it. Have energy to serve you. Hey, queen. Hiya. Thank you. That's my sister, guys. Don't come for me. I saw somebody saying that I always compliment on other girls, like, oh, they're beautiful. They are my sisters. Oh my God. Okay. Let me test this. Let's see. So nice. Tips of surviving in town: buy a lot of githeri, store them in the freezer, eat slowly. If your girlfriend don't eat that, tell her to go back in the village. Sorry for that, guys. Alright. Just already ate, so we'll be washing these utensils. Thank you for the food, right? Thank you. So let me go to the rooftop. I wanna just go carry some stuffs from up there. Oh my God. At the rooftop. I think by now those things have already dried out, because oh my God, it's crazy. If they are not already, then we have to check on other stuff. So let's go up and you see. Music, huh? And the breeze is breezing, actually. Definitely it's breezing. That's our neighbor. It's having music, loud music. Whoa, so sunny. Oh my God, I even think some of the stuff just dropped down. Oi. Huh? They dropped down. I think some of some of them fell down. Hopefully they are not down there. Well, you can find it already, it's down there. But anyway, let's start this. This one haven't yet dried up, okay? So we only have this one, and this one. Wow, they haven't yet dried up well. Yeah, so now it's time to arrange everything and put them how they're supposed to be on this one. So wow, I don't know if you see this end, but anyway, let me just cover them faster, and then we'll be finishing this video, or we'll be ending it, and then we see what we can have. Oh, just slowly by slowly. Let's see, put on this one. Just like that. Just like that. Another one. Just like that, and then it's done. So this one is for one seater, and then we will be done with this. Hey, it's so heavy to put it in. Hey, it's not a joke. It's not just a joke, but it's something that you have to check on it. The good thing with this is like they are washable, so you can take them off and wash them anytime you want, or anytime you feel like you want to wash them. That's one thing I love about these seats. So like this one, it's already ready. The way you see it this way. This way. Then you zip it. Then this one is okay. So this big, now this big on this side. This big now, so you have big brain to put it in. Look at it. Look at it. Like yo. So this way, and then on this side that way. Easy peasy. Just like that. Just like that, because for now they don't have dust as before. Over here also squeeze up to the dust, then you zip it. So zipping it slowly by slowly. So let us zip it slowly. Just like that. The zip is not cooperating the way I want, but anyway it will be, as long as we are focusing on good things. Just like that. Just like that, and so like that. Now we have remained with this one, and then we will be done. So just like that. We are done. So just to put on this. I don't know how to put it just that way. This one for this, and this one for this. The house looks clean and nice, and that's how you see it on this other end. And then well done. So I want to say thank you so much, guys, for this amazing time and for this great work. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this, and of course subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, share, leave a sweet comment, and I really appreciate your love and support. It's so silly, you see? And kids are also out of school. You know, we wake up very early in the morning, but this is what you see. They're doing what we call like walking race. You know? So they're racing. That's what we call like walking race. So they're doing what we call like walking race. Somebody here in some few years to come will be like, I wish I met you earlier. And you can see what the earlier what they are doing right now. They are walking race. Alright guys, that's one form of exercises to do here in Kenya, like to break the boredom. For now it's games time, so the kids are breaking the boredom, you know, like they have been in class for maybe like 10 hours plus. So now they are doing what we call like breaking the boredom, games time. Then from here they'll be at home, they'll be going home. So thank you so much, be blessed. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and should subscribe, you like and share this video. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much, and let me know in the comment section what you have done here. Be blessed and bye guys.